Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create automated sales funnels for online businesses, full tutorial step by step clearly. To create automated sales funnels for online businesses, begin by defining your target audience. Understand their pain points, needs, and desires to tailor your funnel effectively. Next, outline the customer journey from awareness to purchase. Identify key touchpoints along this journey, including landing pages, emails, and social media interactions. Choose a reliable sales funnel platform that aligns with your business goals. Some popular options include ClickFunnels, Kartra, and HubSpot. Sign up for your chosen platform and familiarize yourself with its features. Start building your first funnel by creating a compelling landing page. Include an attention-grabbing headline and a clear call to action. Incorporate persuasive elements such as testimonials and value propositions. After your landing page, set up a lead magnet to capture visitors' contact information. Lead magnets can be ebooks, webinars, or free trials. Next, integrate an email marketing system to nurture leads. Automate follow-up emails that provide value and build trust over time. Create a series of emails that guide leads through the sales process. Include educational content, case studies, and special promotions. At this point, develop a sales page that highlights your product or service. Make sure to clearly state the benefits and features your offering provides. Add social proof, such as customer reviews, to enhance credibility. Once your sales page is ready, set up payment processing options. Make the checkout process simple and user-friendly. After the purchase, implement a thank you page to confirm the transaction. Use this page to upsell or cross-sell additional products or services. Finally, test and optimize your funnel regularly. Monitor key metrics such as conversion rates and lead engagement. Use A/B testing to refine your headlines, email copy, and landing page design. Continue to adapt your funnel based on feedback and performance data. This iterative process will help maximize your funnel's effectiveness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.